multi-time winner in this class. Look at Braden Bolshot trying to button up right away.
Come on,
Trey
Jason!
Bolshot on the outside pole. We'll see.
Big fish!
The gravel pit.
Gotta love super stock racing under the lights here at Crandon. Look at Kyle Cooper with that great run on the outside.
Wow, Boanger just shut the door, but there goes Trey Bolshot on the inside. Yeah, man, a lot of speed going into that gravel pit.
Kyle Cooper with a 24-point lead over the field coming into this round 11 race. I talked to him earlier this week. He said he's very confident, feels very calm. He's just got to go out and take care of business for 2 races. He wants this championship so badly. He has his eyes set. Running up in the top 4. The last time these fans at Crandon saw Joe Machosik, he was tumbling through turn 1. We didn't know if he would race again this year.
Yeah, absolutely. Joey really putting his head together. That team got that truck back up to par. There's Holter now, Ben Holter coming into our stream, that 844.